The MagnetX table from HolzHer is the most flexible automatic table for our console CNC. Precise, automatic and highly flexible, suitable for your entire range of applications. Thanks to an innovative mechanism that is fully integrated into the consoles and base bodies, the suction cups are moved individually to the desired position with millimeter accuracy and within seconds. A quick scan is all it takes to automatically detect the number and position of the suction cups using the newly developed IntelliScan software. Additional suction cups can be added or removed manually at any time, as the number of suction cups is unlimited. Numerous suction cups can therefore be used to provide optimum support for thin and deep components. When component sizes change, suction cups and consoles that are not required are automatically parked. This avoids unnecessary machine setup and increases efficiency. Different suction cup variants can be fitted to the MagnetX base body to match the components. These can be rotated in 15-degree steps. With IntelliScan, you can manually position the vacuum cups and then transfer them to the virtual placement. Thanks to the high suction cups, horizontal 5-axis machining is simplified even further. Combined with a machining height of 300 mm, the MagnetX table becomes an all-around solution. To ensure smooth operation in pendulum mode, you can select the machining fields and programs using a barcode scanner. Thanks to the compatible console design, all proven suction cups and frame clamping elements can still be used in manual operation, ideal for frame construction and special shapes. The MagnetX table is a real game changer, taking console machining centers from HolzHer to new heights of versatility and performance